How to fix Roblox error occurred during purchases. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also tired of Roblox purchase error, then you are in the right video. So first thing what you can do is just head over to Roblox application, and the first reason that might be causing that issue is maybe your email or your login details like email has been outdated. So using your outdated email can also cause this such problem. So make sure you have your email up to date. So first thing what you can do is just head over to this more button over here at the bottom right corner, and then click on settings and click on account info, and make sure you have updated your email as well, which is up to date. So once you do that, another thing what you need to consider is make sure you have entered the correct payment details and a valid credit card or other payment method that you have set it up. And also make sure that they are valid and they have sufficient funds available in them. Sometimes declined payments can cause such errors. So now let's check the status of Roblox server by simply visiting the Roblox status.roblox.com. So once you're inside here you can see any ongoing issues or maintenance that could be causing such payment option or your purchasing options error. So once you confirm that it has no any issue over here in the website regarding the Roblox, then do not also hesitate to contact the Roblox customer support directly. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.